Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let's talk about one of the new exclusive pets in Grow a Garden 2 Fall Harvest Update, the Kitsune. So, unlike the other Fall Harvest pets, this Kitsune is much harder to get because it has secret rarity, and you can't simply find it wandering around the map like usual. Instead, you can only get the Kitsune through the exclusive fall chest and exclusive fall egg. This one that you this one, boots of which are available in these limited shops, and you can buy it using Robux. So yeah, it's not free. And and this pet at night will sneak out and steal fruits from other gardens, and they will turn that fruit into a chakra mutations. And here's the crazy part: when the mutations is successfully applied, the fruit can be sold for 60 times its normal value, like this. So basically, the kitsune can potentially turn ordinary fruits into extremely valuable ones while you just let it do its things. And in here, unfortunately, I can't demonstrate the gacha or its ability in this video because I don't have enough Robux to buy the exclusive fall chest or exclusive harvest egg and try my luck. But if you're looking for one of the most valuable exclusive pets in this fall harvest update, yeah, the kitsune is definitely one to keep an eye on. And okay, that's everything you need to know about this new Kitsune pet. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!